Hello viewers, welcome to AS Lotto Winner. This is my first video for Millionaire Draw. Next Millionaire Draw is held on July 7th of this month. Millionaire also similar like Magasus Draw, but only difference is in Magasus we are choosing 5 numbers from 1 to 49. But in Millionaire we are choosing 7 numbers from 1 to 44. This is the difference of Millionaire and Magasus. We have to choose 7 numbers out of 44 numbers. For the past 7 weeks, mostly repeated numbers are came. Number 19 came 5 times and number 27 came 3 times. So many numbers are repeating 2 or 3 times. So this week also some numbers can repeat from the previous draw results. New numbers also came in the previous draws. Some numbers are newly came. Here number 15 is a new number. It is not came in the previous draws. Same like number 17 also not came in the previous draws. So we have to choose some numbers that are not came in the previous draws. Select 4 to 5 numbers from the repeated numbers. The repeated numbers are number 15, 17 and 21, 22, 28, 32, 37, 39, 43 and 44. These are the 10 repeated numbers. These numbers has highest chances to repeat. Select 4 to 5 numbers from these repeated numbers. Next, new numbers. Select 2 to 3 numbers from these new numbers. These numbers are not came in the previous draws. These numbers are 3, 7, 8, 11, 14, 23, 31, 33, 34, 40 and 42. Select 2 to 3 numbers from these numbers. For one number line out of 7 numbers, choose 4 to 5 numbers from these repeated numbers and choose 2 to 3 numbers from these new numbers. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.